Welcome back to learn more about estate planning. My name is Stefan de Hinden. I'm the Managing Director and founder of simplyEstate, Australia's #1 platform for estate administration and planning. Our estate planning videos cover 5 key topics everyone must know about. This video discusses what legal documents you should prepare for your estate plan. The objective of this video is to understand some important details about your will as part of your estate plan. Before we start, I need to let you know that simplyEstate is not a legal or financial services firm, and all information provided is general only and does not take into consideration your situation. Please read the full statement. In this video, we will cover these 3 topics. Let's get right into it. Let's take a look at some common myths. We know from experience that a will alone is not enough. It's a very important document and great if you have an up-to-date will already. However, we have already seen how difficult some decisions are that your family may have to make for you if you become seriously ill, were in an accident or pass away. Secondly, even though you discuss and seek agreement from a trusted person to be named your executor, the person or persons may, when the need arises to act, be unable or unwilling to do so. Thirdly, storing your will with your lawyer or in a bank deposit box may seem safe at first, but there is no guarantee that the law firm will exist in many years' time and the family can't get access to the safety box without your will. These are the 3 most commonly used legal documents for an estate plan. In some states or territories, there is also a health directive formalizing your health wishes. One that most will already be familiar with is the will. You might remember that nearly half of Australians die without a will, complicating matters for their surviving families and increasing the likelihood of legal disputes. Both the enduring power of attorney and enduring power of guardianship allow you to nominate a person you trust to make decisions for you when you can no longer do so yourself. The enduring power of attorney gives your nominated attorney the power to make financial and, in some states and territories, legal decisions. The enduring power of guardianship, on the other side, gives your nominated guardian the power to make health-related, medical treatment, personal or lifestyle decisions. Very important to note here is that both EPOA and EPOG expire on the death of the person who put the documents in place. We won't go into detail about these 2 documents in this video, but you can read about these in more detail on this webpage. Let's delve into the will a bit more. These are some benefits of having an up-to-date and valid will in place. In a nutshell, a will gives you full control of who manages your estate, who will inherit from your estate, and reduce the likelihood of family disputes. Also, with a will, the executor can apply for grant of probate with the Supreme Court, which is a lot simpler, faster and cheaper than applying for letters of administration when no will is in place. Let's look at some important considerations if you want to make a will or make a new will. These are 6 of the most common considerations for your will. We will touch on sole or joint executors, specific gifts, the importance of maintaining and storing your will safely. In your will, you can nominate one person to manage your estate, which is called a sole executor, or you can nominate multiple persons who manage the estate together as joint executors. Nominating a sole executor may result in more simplicity, as one person can make all decisions and execute your wishes. However, on the downside, a sole executor must do all the work and decisions themselves, which may be challenging. Nominating joint executors may result in better decisions due to a group making a decision if your will is not detailed and clear. On the flip side, having multiple people working together slows down the process due to multiple opinions and everyone needing to agree and sign everything. The conclusion here is that if you draft a will that is specific, which is communicated and understood by your family and executor, a sole executor generally can get the job done more easily with a better outcome. If you want specific valuables, money or assets like a car, to be given to a specific person, you must include these in your will with a clear description or identifier, like a car registration number. Our lives change all the time. Some changes are small and others have a greater impact on your estate plan. We work all our lives to set up a good retirement fund, pay off our family home, and we want to make sure the people we choose benefit from it. If you experience a major life event, including marriage, divorce, having a baby, or a relationship you had written off comes back to life again, you should review your will and have a new one drafted to reflect your wishes in the new situation. We strongly advise that you have a new will made and not make changes to existing wills to avoid it being null and void. Hopefully, I provided some good reasons why you should consider putting in place or reviewing your legal documents. The original will needs to be accessible by your nominated executor, so the necessary arrangements can be made when needed. As previously mentioned, a will stored away in a cabinet in your office with your lawyer, accountant, or bank deposit box will make it challenging for the executor to find and access. Record the location of your important documents in your online estate planning account. In this video, we have learned that legal documents allow you to formalize your wishes and reduces misunderstandings if you are specific. If your life changes, review your will and have a new one drafted to suit your new situation. If you want to learn more about estate planning, follow me to the next video where we'll talk about the importance of planning your finances, superannuation and insurance. Click the red button below this video. To download our free quick checklist with a summary of all estate planning tasks you can do now, click the yellow button below this video and we'll send you a copy via email. If you want to come back later, click the email link button below this video so you can find your way back when you're ready again. Join me for the next video by clicking the red button below this video.